springtime. With the flowers in bloom, there's so much beauty to behold. But if you're not a gardener, how else can you create the beautiful blossoms of the season? That's where our felt floral coasters come in. In this video, I'll show you how to turn scraps of felt into a unique and beautiful set of coasters inspired by spring. Let's check it out! Hi there, I'm Michelle from the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. Welcome or welcome back to our library. We're so happy to have you here today as we learn to make floral felt coasters. Here's all the supplies you'll need. The template linked in the description below, green felt, yellow felt, as well as 2 or 3 shades of any color felt you want. I've got pink here today, but like I said, you could use any color. You'll need the equivalent of about a half sheet of felt. That's 5.5 inches by 8 inches for each color. You'll also need hot glue and a hot glue gun, scissors, a ruler, and a writing utensil. Grab that template you printed out and your scissors, and we'll get started. Using scissors, cut out the templates. Trace the circle template onto the green felt with a felt tip marker. Also, trace 6 to 9 leaves onto the green felt. Cut out the circles and the leaves on the inside of the lines. This is very important because any marker that remains will be visible in your final product. Next, glue 3 to 5 leaves to each circle and set aside to dry. Select one shade of colored felt and mark every ½ inch as measured by a ruler along the top, middle, and bottom of the sheet. Make small, light, yet visible marks. Using scissors, cut your felt sheet into ½ inch strips by cutting along the imaginary lines that connects your 3 marks. We use this method instead of drawing a line to minimize the marker on the finished piece. You'll want to make ½ inch strips in this way for the remaining colored and yellow felt. To make a flower, add a small strip of glue to the short edge of a yellow strip and begin rolling the felt into a spiral. Add a new color by overlapping the strips by at least a ½ inch. Continue rolling and adding new strips until your flower is your desired size. End a flower with a small strip of glue and let dry. Make flowers while varying your colors, length of strips, and size of the flowers, and continue making them until you have enough to cover the green circle you cut out earlier. When you have enough, glue the flowers to the green circle. Bend your coaster to expose the gaps between the flowers. Add glue to the exposed gaps, push together, and let dry. Repeat these steps to make the second coaster. And there you have it, a completed set of floral felt coasters. What's your favorite flower? Do you have any other springtime crafts? Leave a comment below to let me know. Or leave any tips and tricks that made you successful with this craft for our community to see. If you're looking for another way to bring spring's bounty indoors, let me recommend you check out the dried flower terrarium video over on CreativeBug. CreativeBug is a crafting database that's free with your library card. CreativeBug has thousands of videos just like this one, hosted by master crafters on all subjects, spanning from sewing to cake decorating, pottery to paper crafts. I really like the dried flower terrarium class because I can't keep live terrariums alive, and this is just as beautiful. This class is for adults, but they've got content for all ages and ability levels over on CreativeBug. Truly, it's a world of creativity waiting for you. As always, like and share this video if you got something out of it, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got crafts for all ages, book talks, teen life skills, author events, and more on this channel. Pretty much, it's all the events you love from your library available online 24/7. Subscribing makes sure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. I'll be back soon with another Let's Make video, but in the meantime, you can connect with the Goffstown Public Library on social media or visit us at goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!